Up guys, my name is Alex and I told you in the last episode we would do something different. And yes, we will be doing something different. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on, now you see I already got it. Now I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how to download airplanes. Some of you guys be like, what? You can download airplanes? And it is the simplest thing. Like, I would do something else with this episode, but these people that are like, I've experienced before, they're like doing like, how to land an F4 Phantom / how to land an F-22, and you're just trying to get the F-22, but it's already at the end. So I'm just doing this in one simple episode. So, let's get started. I usually go on google.com because they own the world now in the internet. So we'll just go to google.com. Yeah. So now we're gonna go. Now you get the widest selection if you're looking for, let's say you're looking for bombers. It's not, you have to do that on the search engine on the forums. So we're just gonna put in X-plane 10 aircraft because they have them. There's, and it's right here. So after you put in X-plane 10 aircraft on google.com, this will show up. Aircraft for X-plane 9 and 10 xplane-xplane.org form. It might be somewhere else. Don't get, oh my god, it's different. No. If this shows up right here, it's not. It's just not. So, just click on that, and we're going to wait for it to load. We have ourselves things. Yeah. We have ourselves to download. Now I just thought of this, like, Alex, how do we download it? How do we download this? Okay, so I'm pretty interested in this, but there's more things. There's just like, if you want a Arthur Sack, Arthur Sack, or Republic CV, or a back in RC. There's much more. There's 297 on aircraft. I'm gonna show you. There you go. 297 whole aircrafts for you. Right for you. Whew. Look at the difference. X-plane 9 2000. So we're gonna download this and to this beautiful Ukrainian An-225 with 3D cockpit. You're not gonna always see that. So I'm gonna warn you guys that this is, there's a limit. You can have, like, there's like, I don't know, I usually download like, I don't keep track, but I'm guessing like 20 a day every 24 hours. I'm not meaning 12 hours, I mean 24 whole hours. So you have to wait this whole day, and then you have to wait to the sleep, and I go to school, and when I get back, do my homework, it's ready for me. So, what you press this beautiful picture right here, and it might do a zip, might do shoot to the zips. I usually pick the top and a RAR. Things like this, I don't know what it does. I never downloaded a RAR before. Usually it's a folder like this, not a RAR. I have no idea what it's doing. And 225 error. So this one, not the good one. So you might see this in your time. Like some might be not available because the guy freaking fucked up. But hey, it's okay. We just found another AN 225 model, didn't we? Look at that, huh? We just found another one. So, press that download button. Hopefully we'll be finding a zip. Now what you want to do is find a zip. It will open up to a folder automatically. Don't click on the zip. Wait for it, and it'll turn into a freaking folder. Don't be like, oh my god. It's a zip. And I know 5 stars for me. Please confirm that you have opulence for this arrow. So here we go. We have an AN 225. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna take that. Oh, hold on. Let me just put some nice things right here. So now we have the downloads, the X-Plane 10 thing file thingy right here on my desktop. If it's somewhere else, put it on your damn desktop so you can download more of the fucking awesome planes. But here we go. We have the AN 225. Drag it down for it easier for me. We have 15 I-teams. Do not give a fuck about those. Just freaking put it on your X-Plane 10. Get your aircraft out. So you're on your X-Plane 10. Open it up. You get 19 I-teams like this. Got the 32-bit in the X-Plane. Got the X-Plane paper, weapons, resources, gold scenery, instructions, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you go in the aircraft. The beautiful aircraft.
Who are you talking to?
Recording.
Huh?
Recording.
Who?
I'm recording.
It's a recording.
Yeah.
Okay. Of who?
I'm recording tutorials.
You what?
I'm doing tutorials.
Okay.
I am back. Sorry. I'm gonna cut. So, I thought it would be a delicious idea to tag it so it's looks freaking awesome. So you know what I'm doing. But I don't need tags. You need tags, you can get tags. Now it's being an asshole, and it's not letting me do tags. So we're just gonna open it up. Now I have these ugly tags on there that I really do not need. Or it's just lagging the hell out. It's just lagging the hell out. So now I have the aircraft. Go on it. And you can always put a new folder. I did before, but it was just so freaking unorganized. I just stuck to this. Now in An-25, you look at it, you look at the photo, you see the photo, and you realize it's a heavy plane. If you know me, I did some history, and this is a mega plane. So you put it on here. I have a little lag on my computer. So you have this An-25. You want to put on fighters? Fine, put on fighters. You want to put on general aviation? Ain't going to change anything. You put on glider. It's not going to change what it looks like. It's not going to change its anything. So I would put it on mega planes for an An-225, general aviation, etc. Now you, no, I don't want cargo planes or radio planes or all these different selections that I don't want to go through 200 pages just to find what I want. Just look it up on the search box. Bombers, you want bombers? You could get bombers. I spelled that incorrectly. Don't judge me. So, you meant what I meant. Bombers. And you got a bunch of bombers. Fighters. Gonna get fighters. It's the same thing. You just don't have the thing, which I wish they could put the thing on there. This was made for specifics. So you got the Spitfire. You know what to do. You take it. Look at it and you're like, hey, that looks freaking awesome. But now, you want fictional airplanes. You're like, ugh, who gives a freaking shit about experimentals? I want fictional aircraft. That looks freaking awesome. Okay, so, Google.com. Go on. X-Plane 10. Not 10. 10. Fictional. X-Plane 10. Fictional aircraft. And then you'll get freestyle, science fiction, and anime X-Plane.org forum. Click on that. And you get this wide freaking selection of everything. Frame Razor, Slay, etc. Hate these people that don't put a paint. Too lazy to put a freaking paint. So, same thing. I'll show you it again. You're like, hey, that looks freaking awesome. Looking at it and you're like, whoa. This looks awesome. This doesn't look awesome to me, so I'm gonna go to the next one. Now there's only 14 pages of this. So you're looking down, looking through, and you find Flying Saucer. And you're like, hey, I want a freaking Flying Saucer on my thing. Don't worry, buddy. It's a flying saucer. So, you wait for it to download. And it brings you to another website. And you're like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? It's gonna go. It's okay. You find it, download, click. Might have download somewhere else, something like that. So you just look at this, X-Plane 9, and this is for version X-Plane 9.7. So, what do you do? You go back to where you started, you're ashamed, blah, blah, blah. Go to Dark Bat. It looks better. You just realize that looks freaking awesome. So, it downloads the darkbat.zip. Waiting for it. Yeah, it's the same thing. You put it where you want on the aircraft, it'll show up. I'll even show you. Just gotta wait. So, I don't really give a crap about this stuff. I'm done. So, that's about it for this tutorial. And I usually restart X-Plane to get it back. Or something like that. And I have some fictional aircraft myself on here. So thank you for watching this tutorial that I just extended. I really okay. So guys, thanks for watching this episode. And this is how to download aircraft, because some of the aircraft can just get boring after a while and you just want to fly your own aircraft, you know. You just want to fly somebody else's aircraft. So guys, my name's Alex. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like or subscribe. It would be really helpful. Really helpful and inspiring to say, oh my god, I got a subscriber. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Alex, and I'll